Hello everyone, today I will show you how to send direct message on X or Twitter, and here's how it is done. Open the X Twitter app, search for the account you want to message. Check for a mail icon next to their profile or under their bio. If the mail icon is present, tap it to open the DM window and send your message. If there is no mail icon, the user has disabled DMs for their account. If others can send you DMs, you might have restricted settings. Follow these steps to adjust them. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Go to Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. Direct messages. Under Allow Message Requests from, choose Everyone to allow all users to send you DMs. Verified users to limit DMs to verified accounts. No one to block all incoming DMs. And that is everything you need to know about how to send direct message on X or Twitter. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.